Welcome back in. A few more clouds starting to roll through this evening, but a pleasant feel for that holiday weekend. You'll notice a little bit of blue in the sky. However, some of the cloud cover has started to thicken on up. Temperature-wise this evening, it'll be pleasant, 72 at 7 p.m. That ice cream forecast, 69 at 8 p.m., dropping down to 65 by 9 o'clock in the evening. Good one to enjoy some fresh air for the holiday weekend plans. It is going to warm up as high temperatures climb to the low 80s for your Sunday, and it's going to feel even milder yet for Memorial Day. The reason for the uptick in cloud cover is this low pressure system spinning away over the Carolinas. They're going to see a bit of an icky Memorial Day with rain chances across the southeast. For us here, no worries of any rain, but you'll notice some of the clouds have started to move into the Buckeye State. A closer look will show you some cloud cover across all of northwest Ohio and southeastern Michigan. The day started off with total sunshine and blue skies, and we've started to see just a little bit more gray in the sky. Still hanging on to 79 in Putnam County with that cool northeast breeze along the lake shore. It's only 61 in Sandusky, 65 in Port Clinton, and that is because our lake temperature is only 61. A little bit deceptive. The lake water is still a bit chilly this time of year. Going to turn milder for your Sunday, high temperature of 82 degrees. Along the lake, once again, it'll be just a notch cooler in the 70s. Let's plan out your Sunday. When you're waking up for that morning walk, it's going to be in the mid-50s. By the afternoon, temperatures rebound nicely to the low 80s. But again, that sliver right along the Lake Erie shoreline is going to be a good deal cooler as the northeast breeze persists. Let's look ahead towards Sunday, planning out your day. It'll be a little cool to start your day, running some errands in the afternoon. Temperatures climb up to the mid-70s by lunchtime. You'll see more sunshine into the afternoon and evening as temperatures top out in the lower 80s, and it gets even warmer for Memorial Day. Often considered the unofficial start of summer, it's going to feel like summer with a dry and warm day. 84 degrees. Humidity levels are going to be nice and low despite the warm up. Perhaps heading out to the lake for your Memorial Day plans. Waves are going to be pretty tame, 1 to 2 feet tops, with a northeasterly breeze at 5 to 10 knots. Again, keep in mind, even though the temperature is warm, the lake temperature not so much. We're at 61 right now for those waters out on Lake Erie. If you like it warm, if you're thinking about taking a dip in the pool, perhaps one of the public pools, 90-degree temperatures Tuesday through Friday. We get our warmest stretch of weather this year so far. Here's a look ahead to Thursday. Temperatures will be in the 80s along the lakeshore, 90 in the metro, perhaps 91 down in Wood County. Overall, the start of June is going to feature exceptionally warm weather, but it's going to be a pretty short-lived warm-up. In other words, we'll have a few days in the 90s, but we're going to be back to the 70s by next weekend. Now, with the warm-up, we could see a few scattered pop-up showers, which we certainly need. May rainfall less than an inch so far, and this is the driest we have ever started May since 1934, and that is the Dust Bowl era. In other words, it's been almost a century since we've seen a May with this dry of weather. Dry weather continues through Wednesday. Our next chance for an isolated pop-up shower or storm, that is going to hold off until Thursday. Friday and Saturday could bring us some scattered showers and thunderstorms for area gardeners and farmers. And remember how I said it's a short-lived warm-up? We're going to be back in the 70s by that end of the 10-day forecast. If you like it summery, enjoy those 90s, but there is cooler weather in sight.